Hi. Welcome to Teacher 1 channel. In this video, I will show you how to capitalize all letters in cell or a column in Excel. But before I start, please click the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated for our upcoming videos. For capitalizing all letters you have typed in cells, you may need to retype them manually. That's time-consuming while working. In this video, I will show you methods of easily capitalize all letters in cell or a column in Excel. You can use formula to capitalize all letters as follows. First, select a blank cell adjacent to the cell you want to capitalize all letters. Second, type formula upper, then click the cell the A1 into the formula bar, then press the Enter key. Number 3, drag the fill handle down to the range in which you need to capitalize all letters. Now all letters in specified cells are all capitalized. Besides the formula method, you can run VBA code to capitalize all letters in a range. First, press Alt plus F11 keys simultaneously to open the Microsoft Visual Basic application window. Second, in the Microsoft Visual Basic application window, click Insert Module. Third, copy and paste this VBA code into the module window. You can copy this VBA code in the description box below. Then click Run. Fourth, in the popping up a dialog box, select the range with letters you want to capitalize, and then click the OK button. Then all letters in selected range are all capitalized immediately.
Oh my God! Wow!
If this video helps you to capitalize the letter you have types in cells without retyping them again, just click like, subscribe button, and share this video. Do not forget to leave comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Thank you so much and God bless.